Hi guys, so meron tayong changes or additional updates dito sa ating YouTube channel. So I'm doing this video to tell you that I will be incorporating other ideas and other things dito sa ating YouTube channel. Currently nag-upload po tayo about sa fish farming, ating ornamental fish culture, recently about sa catfish farming. But then tumigil na po muna tayo dun sa ating catfish farming. Then nag-proceed po tayo sa ornamental fish farming. And then the recent update is meron na po tayong crayfish farm. And then ngayon medyo kakaiba po ang ating idadagdag, i-incorporate natin sa ating YouTube channel, which is explaining to you insurance concepts and also the things that can help you grow your business. So yun po, I'm just informing you about these changes para hindi po kayo mabibigla na still this is our channel. So I will still continue to update you dun sa progress ng ating farm. Dinadagdag lang po natin ito. So to my overseas viewers, sorry to tell you that most of the videos that I will be uploading will be in Tagalog language, and hopefully I will still be explaining it in English so that you also can understand and have the idea, and also you can adapt it and avail of some insurance products in your own country. So thank you po, and thank you to all my viewers for still watching our YouTube channel. So hopefully more subscribers will come when we update and incorporate new things in our YouTube channel. So we will keep on growing our YouTube channel, also grow our business through social media. Also more and more people hopefully will be informed and grow their own business. So salamat po for watching. I hope you are being blessed with my YouTube channel, and hope to bless you with my upcoming uploads. Salamat po. God bless.